Hi guys, this is Regain Shoes and Bag Restoration, and today's video guys, isang Furla cream bag ang nakikita ninyo mga guys. Natin dito is papalitan natin siya ng kulay. We will make it a rose gold, and kung nakikita nyo guys, ayan siya. The color of this bag is a cream bag, and we will make it rose gold. Okay, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, talaga namang ang ganda na tong bag na to. Isang sling Furla bag. Okay. So, next step natin guys is ready po natin yung bag. Lalagyan po natin ng mga masking tape or cover yung mga part na hindi dapat malagyan ng pangulay. Okay? Para safe po yung ibang part niya na hindi dapat kulayan. Like yung kanyang tawag nito, yung kanyang mga hardware. Okay. Okay guys, next step natin is we will apply a remover para matanggal yung tawag nito, factory paint, para kapag in-applyan po natin siya ng pangkulay or pang-recolor, makapit po siya. Leather dye. Usually guys, before kasi to applyan ng talagang color na target natin, first step is a-applyan muna natin siya ng leather dye. Okay? Para matakpan natin or matakpan yung dati niyang kulay. Okay? And para sa kaalaman ng lahat guys, ang ginamit namin ditong leather dye, it is a Lincoln leather dye. And finally, guys, here comes the bride. Joke. Okay, guys, ito na yung ating cream Forla bag na pino-change color into a rose gold. Ayan ang kanyang strap. Ayan. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's you. Ayan, guys. Napapakanta tuloy ako. Sobrang ganda ng bag na to, guys. Grabe. Sana akin ka lang. Okay. Ayan. Grabe, nakaka-inlove talaga yung kulay ng rose gold. In fairness.